You could also learn from the mistakes that I'm changing your hair is like almost changing your life. Now you could be wondering this video is for whom? जिन लड़कियों के फ़ोन में 200 रील सेव्ड है अपने बालों के बारे में, हेयर कट्स के बारे में, हेयर कलर के बारे में, बॉयफ्रेंड्स, बॉयज, husbands, and brothers, whosoever is watching from the male community can send them as this is a sign. I'm telling you, this is a sign to get a makeover done. Whatever I'm saying is literally a girly thing. Hi guys and welcome back. It's been a long time, but this is something exciting that I wanted to share with you guys. I had a makeover, if you can see. So let's talk my hair story, revealing everything for you guys because I love you so very much. So boys must be wondering if they watch this video that इतना भी क्या बड़ा है उसमें बट नहीं यार ऐसे नहीं होता if you have a mother, if you have a sister, if you have a girlfriend, if you have a wife, boys would relate to. It just takes a lot to go and change and literally feel the change after a few days you have had your makeover done. It's like, what's the bloody big deal? But it is, unless it's your own hair. It's 2025 November 3rd that I chopped down my hair and had a complete makeover. मैं 2020 से मेरे बाल बढ़ा रही थी after the Botox that I had done. It's completely another story that I would come up to. And then there will be many questions कि keratin कराना चाहिए, cysting कराना चाहिए. There are many other replacements as well. And मैंने किया था Botox, but I wouldn't suggest you guys get it done. I'll tell you why in maybe another video. But let's talk about and stick to the topic that we are going to discuss today. So 2026 I was growing my hair. I had chopped it like this, short, and I had hair like till my low back. Yes, and I had chopped it off and मैंने botox करा लिया था. I faced a lot of difficulties which I would come up to. Then I had trim. इतना सा मैंने trim कराया था 2 बार after 2020. But then मेरे पास बस यही पड़ा था, यही कंप्लेन थी मेरी खुद से कि आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग विथ माई हेयर. I need to literally get a makeover done. And coloring, it was like literally something that I didn't plan, but it happened on the spot. And I'm glad that I took the decision and I kind of love it. So basically, you learn from the experience, right? I have had my own experiences, and this time, even I got a new experience, which my dumb brains couldn't figure it out at that time, and later I regretted. So, yeah, you always learn from the experience and the mistakes that you make, but I think and I hope that you could learn from mine. Also, guys, subscribe. Also, guys, please subscribe if you're new to the channel and hit like. You guys just watch. You don't like my videos. I put in so much of efforts. Drama khatam. Now all those experiences and same boring jet black hair since 2020, I was so done. Like literally done. I used to cry because मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर पाती थी उसमें. I just used to have my hair bundled up, and that is how I used to go to gym or a high pony, and I used to go out for functions and everything, and I was tired looking the same. So I decided कि I'll chop my hair now, and I don't want to like literally wear it open all the time, but I also wanted possibilities to do in them. If consistency was a person, if consistency was a person, it would be me. Imagine having the same boring old hair since 5 years, just getting trimmed twice, and उसमें भी कुछ नहीं कराना, पीछे से same length, and you know the front portion had some layers. Khatam. That's the life that I lived for 5 years, and abhi tak I'm adjusting. Imagine it's 3rd November, and today I guess is 27th of November. I'm still loving it. I'm adjusting. I'm absolutely happy with the decision that I took. And girls and my dear girlies, if you are thinking of a makeover, this is a sign. Take it as a sign. Go ASAP and do whatever you can because you only live once, and the regret is forever. So just get it done. Also, like coming to the point that why did I chop my hair off? Because it was this long and now it's just this much. So yeah, I cut off like literally more than half of my hair. The bottom portion of my hair had literally no weight. It was so weightless. Split was not the problem, to be honest. I think uh, it was just, dead ends, not as in split ends, but dead hair at the end that I had literally no weight, and it was weighing my entire look and my hair down. I originally have very wavy and thick hair, but the hair that I had grown, वो botox के भी बाल थे आधे, the treated hair, and the rest were like literally just there for a purpose. I didn't understand the purpose, so I had to like chop them off. मेरे bum तक जा रहे थे बाल, honestly. Your hair carries energies. So when I chopped off my hair, trust me guys, trust me when I say this, I'm not lying. भगवान की कसम, बजरंग बली की कसम खा के कहती हूँ, the moment he chopped my hair off and I sat there on the chair, I felt such positivity. एकदम ऐसे ना किसी ने तो वज़न निकाल दिया है. लाइक आई फेल्ट सो फ्री इन दैट मोमेंट. हल्का हो गया था, सीधा हल्का हो गया था. आई रिमेंबर दिस मोमेंट, द एग्जैक्ट मोमेंट जब ये हुआ. किसी ने मेरे छाती पे से वज़न निकाल दिया हो. लाइक इट लिटरली आई फेल्ट दैट. एंड देन when I had the transformation done, I just felt a reset. Like my energies, everything was so new. It was actually a factory reset, you could say. Literally a reset that I felt in my bones, in my soul. And since that day, I just carry up a new energy, is what I feel. मतलब इतना अच्छा लगता है ना, इतना सब कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है. आई कांट टेल यू. It was just, end of energies. I think the negativity that the hair were carrying and everything, it just, जो भी चीज़ें मुझे ड्रेन कर रही थी, it just went off. And it was a complete reset that I feel. And since that day, how do I even tell you this, that you know काम करने में भी मज़ा आ रहा है. आई मीन आई फील लाइट वेट. इट वॉज अ रीसेट लाइक आई टोल्ड यू. सो सब कुछ करने में आई फील a bit more of happiness. सब कुछ अच्छे से हो रहा है. Like I feel now the box is empty and it could be filled again. So yeah, finally बाल पीछे हटा दिए हैं. Please excuse me guys, I'm very new to this hair and managing it, but I'm low-key loving it, so I have no complaints. But then कुछ लोगों को irritate होता है कि क्या बालों को बार बार हाथ लगा रही है. But this is some obsessive, I forgot. Yeah, I'll add it while editing. So, talking about hair cut, be crystal, be firm, be clean about what you want. No compromise on that because it's your hair. सालों की मेहनत है वो. And coming up to color, but am I satisfied with the coloring that they did? 50% yes, 50% no. Why I'll tell you no. Because दो बंदे मेरा कलर कर रहे थे, एक यहाँ से और एक यहाँ से. यहाँ पे मेरा कलर इतना नहीं चढ़ पाया जितना इस बंदे ने यहाँ पे किया हुआ है. सो देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंस व्हेन टू पीपल आर मैनेजिंग इट. ओके, क्योंकि इसकी इंटेंसिटी अलग, इसकी इंटेंसिटी अलग. अगेन अ रीज़न दैट आई डिडंट लाइक इट, आई डिडंट वांट कॉपर टोन्स, बट ही सेड द कलर दैट आई ऑप्टेड फॉर, उसके लिए कॉपर टोन होना, उसमें कॉपर टोन आएगा आफ्टर इट स्टार्ट्स फेडिंग. Again, other part is, I think they applied, while washing my hair up, they applied something on the scalp over here which caused a very sharp burning sensation, जो मुझे पहले समझ में नहीं आया. मुझे लगा थोड़ा होगा, बट इट इंक्रीज विद टाइम. एंड देन उसने बहुत जगह पे लगा लिया. एंड देन व्हेन इट वाज टिंगलिंग मी लाइक क्रेजी, एंड मुझे बोलते नहीं आता है बाहर, मेरा मुंह नहीं खुल जाता है, मैं किसी को दुखी नहीं कर सकती, किसी को चिल्ला नहीं सकती, किसी को कुछ हार्श बोल नहीं सकती. आई आस्क्ड हिम कि कैन यू टेल मी कि ये क्या है, थोड़ा ठंडा लग रहा है. And it was a bit cold on the scalp, but it was very sharply burning my scalp. So he told me that कि ये stain remove करने के लिए लगा है. I was wondering what stain is he talking about. So I asked him मतलब, तो he said कुछ जगह पे ना color नहीं चढ़ा है. I'm like okay. So later on I told him, हिम्मत करके, जब इतना ज़्यादा burn हो चुका था कि मेरे आँख में से पानी आ रहा था, I told him, God, the dude, it's burning. And then he immediately washed it off, like पता नहीं, like ऐसे धो दिया. And then my scalp was still burning. Okay, थोड़ा सा अभी इतना inflammation तो हो गया होगा ना वो जगह पे. And after that, when I sat on the chair and they were drying out my hair, they both talked something and I asked him like, थोड़ा सा burn हुआ. I told the other guy who did my haircut, basically no, who was about to do my haircut, because पहले उसने बोला कि मैं coloring करूँगा, बाद में मैं haircut करूँगा. Okay, so this happened. Why did you do that? He said कुछ नहीं मैम, ऐसा वैसा. And then when you apply the heat, the color comes up and stuff like that. So when they did it, आई ऑल्सो टोल्ड हिम कि आपने तो सीधा स्कैल्प पे लगाया ना, आई टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी कि मुझे स्कैल्प पे तो कुछ नहीं चाहिए था ना, मैंने पहले ही क्लियर कर दिया था उनको। तो मैं आई टोल्ड हिम कि मतलब ऐसे नहीं बोला उनको मैंने, बट मेरे दिमाग में ये था। तो आई टोल्ड हिम कि आपने तो सीधा स्कैल्प पे लगाया। तो ही सेड मैम डोंट वरी, इट्स द नेचुरल कलर विदाउट दी अमोनिया। तो पहले मैंने उसको बोला था कि आपने अमोनिया फ्री कलर क्यों नहीं किया, बिकॉज मेरी हिस्ट्री रह चुकी है विद कलरिंग, बिकॉज आई हैव हैड हाईलाइट्स. I'll make another separate video for everything, the treatments, the color theory, everything. But this is only my hair story, so let me finish this up first. So he said, ma'am, don't worry, this is ammonia free color that we have applied on your scalp, and this is to, similar color that we wanted the shade. And the other guy who did that, वो आँख ही नहीं मिला रहा था, पता नहीं क्यों. And then I was like, okay, हो गया है कुछ तो, मतलब कुछ तो झोल है, I have been scammed, something has happened. ओके रजिस्टर्ड एनी हाउ, बट थोड़ा डर लग रहा था मेरे दिमाग में कि क्या यार क्यों किया इन लोगों ने, ऐसा नहीं करना था ना, कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता अगर वहाँ पे कलर नहीं आता तो, वैसे भी 2 कलर्स का ब्लेंड है. बट देन ओके आई somehow had that in my mind, and then he blew dried, but the color came, and then I literally had that moment of happiness on my face. It was not exactly the brown that I was wishing for, but it was some family of brown that I kind of love, so I was okay with it anyhow. 19-20 से ज़्यादा ही हो गया था, but then okay यार, I have no issues over that. And thirdly, he did a simple blow dry for my hair. उन्होंने बहुत सारे videos निकाले. I was alone, I couldn't shoot myself much, मतलब from different angles and stuff like that. So they did it for me. They did it for themselves. And my stupid brains, मेरे में इतनी भी समझ नहीं है, मैं इतनी पागल और भोंदू क्यों हो जाती हूँ बाहर, मुझे नहीं पता. I couldn't ask them to airdrop it. मतलब मेरा ही था सब कुछ यार, फिर भी मैं नहीं मांग पाई. And later I realized it. फिर मेरे पास तो मेरा इतना सा कंटेंट था, उनके पास ज़्यादा था. They had lights and professional stuff, but शाम हो चुकी थी, so they had the lights and the setup. And you know what happened was, he blow dried my hair first. उसमें he took the videos and stuff. I kinda really loved that look, okay? Everybody in the salon loved it. Every single person. The mom, the blondie mom, her daughter, everybody was eyeing it. Because it was not the usual stuff that they always, and the ladies and the girls opt for, blondes, caramel, golden, this, that. And then there came a time where he made me sit. Okay, so now the thing is, what they did was they did the tongs. Tongs looked ugly on me, but they had to do it for the content, and I couldn't say no. My stupid ass couldn't say no. They did the tongs, and then they exploited me for content. The owner did, actually. I had to like stand out like a crazy puppet जो यहाँ पे फोकस कर रही थी ऐसे गर्दन लेके, एंड वो हो ही नहीं रहा था, उससे कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम ही आ रहा था उनको. ऐसे सेट करना है, वैसे सेट करना है. दे एक्सप्लॉइटेड माई हेयर एंड मी लाइक लिटरली फॉर लाइक 15 to 20 minutes. मेरी गर्दन, मेरी जान जा चुकी थी, बिकॉज आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग लाइक 4-5-6 घंटे इन अ सैलॉन, मैं 1-2 बजे गई होंगी, मैं आई हूँ लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 7-8-8:30, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो हंग्री, आई वाज सो डन एट दैट पॉइंट. एंड मुझे वो करना भी नहीं था, बट उन्होंने कर लिया था. ये बाद में समझ आया कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए था, ये अननेसेसरी था, बट उन लोगों के कंटेंट के लिए उन लोगों ने कर लिया था. एंड आई फॉरगॉट टू आस्क हर टू एयर ड्रॉप. द ओनर wasn't that sweet to me, but the hairdresser was. And after that comes a very big thing. Of course, big thing because it's about the expense. Haircut costed me 1500. Chalo theek hai. Now comes the part of hair color. It costed me around approximately 10k. It was 9,000 something. Now, the mistake that I did, never do this. I repeat, never, ever do this. I sat on the chair where I went for a haircut. मैंने उनको haircut के बारे में बोला, coloring के बारे में बस बताया था. We agreed. मैंने उनको तभी पूछ लेना था कि how much would they charge for her hair color. But I did not. I forgot बातों बातों में, and you know all the transformation thing going in my head, ऐसे होगा कैसे होगा क्या होगा and stuff like that. मैंने नहीं पूछा. Straight away comes the bill. अब मेरे बाल इतने से 10,000 कलरिंग के ले लिए, जिसमें भी वो ग्लोबल था, जिसमें भी जो मुझे चाहिए था वो शेड एग्जैक्टली नहीं हुआ. एंड देन द थिंग आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द स्कैल्प एंड स्टफ एंड इश्यूज लाइक दैट, एंड GST एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. तो कुछ Approximately, I spent 12K. Yes. I hope my family doesn't see this video. Now the part I couldn't say anything. Anything. मैं आ गई घर पे. अभी post expense क्या होता है ना? You gotta get the shampoos. So I have the L'Oreal Paris का, not L'Oreal Paris but L'Oreal series. Expense उसका आता है. And then comes out styling the hair. अभी ये वीडियो काफ़ी लंबा हो चुका है. Let me make another part where I'll be revealing my exact haircut along with the pictures. I'm gonna tell you the exact hair color that I got. And I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about post maintenance and everything else in the next part, part 2. Stay tuned, like this video, and subscribe and share. Please don't forget to do that. Your small gestures mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye.